Hello viewers, welcome. In today's tutorial we'll be handling drawing 6 from source card 72 practice drawing book ebook. So let's get to work. So straight away we get our circles using the center diameter of 10, and then simply press enter to repeat the command. Second circle has a diameter of 14. Enter. Alright. Okay. We have a line that is 6 units from the center to top and 6 units from center to bottom, 12 units in total. We join it using J. Simply select the line and press J, then we offset the line 6 units to each side. There, 6 units here. Then we can do away with this, no longer needed. Alright, then we join these. And we can now work on the circles at each edge. So simply to get our 45-degree angle here, and then we can get our circles with diameter of 1.2, and then right click, selected, then right click, copy selection. You can just copy and paste it without needing to draw the same circle multiple times. Select the line and press delete to erase it. Then for the curved edges here, we use fillet. So select radius and then put the radius 1. Select the edge, press enter. Then press enter to simply repeat the same command with the same radius value, and then you're good to go. So there was a repeated line here, that's what we are seeing. Erase it. Now we use trim to clean parts of a line. If the line cuts through another line of an image, you can clear part of it, but we can't clear independent or lines that are not crossing. So this is a circle, nothing is crossing in it, we can't trim it. Same with this, simply the function is just in the name, trim. You have what you want and you are removing excesses, so that's it. Once you're done trimming, you have enter, and that's your full image for image 6 of source cards practice draw. Thank you. See you next time.